morning to all. My name is Nandi. I am studying this first class B section. Today activity is facets about solar system.
Biggest planet Jupiter. Second largest planet Saturn. Third planet Uranus. Blue planet Earth. Nearest planet to Earth, Venus. Oldest planet Neptune.
Fastest planet from Sun Neptune. Smallest planet Mercury. Brightest planet Venus. Hottest planet Venus. Morning, evening, star, Venus. Red planet Mars. Nearest planet to Sun Mercury. Earth to planet Venus. Planet Jupiter. Biggest planet Jupiter.